Off the hook.
I had to break the cycle of being inspired by bad experiences and people who piss me off.
Yes.
I'm finally happy with where I'm at. I made a big decision to not go back. I recognize where I come from and where I never want to be again. I lived my life loosely as a teen, but I have to say that way of life had a huge effect on me. Whether bad or good, I learned from it. I prayed to God for answers and listened closely. He said, write about it. He said, share your story. He said, you will heal many. Now, whether or not my words pierce through you like bad news, my mission for writing is not for you. It's so I can have a breakthrough. And maybe down the road, my words will help you to have one too. We'll see. In the meantime, I must break the cycle of being inspired by bad experiences and people who piss me off. Because I want to show my kids that with life there's a balance. It's easy to walk around with monkeys on your back and grudges, but not this, Sister Jack. I refuse to put my energy towards that. Instead, I want to share with you how inspiring his kisses are and how strong his hugs make me feel. I have to say that now, more than ever before, I can see clearly how my poetry walks. Like a stallion, with its head up high, shoulders back, and a strong spine. I used to call writing poetry for me a hobby. Now I know that writing my poetry is absolutely necessary. That's why I must break the cycle of being inspired by bad experiences and people who piss me off. Because in this war, it's not about how fly you look or how decked out your clothes be, how pimped out your riders or how much gold you put on your teeth. It's about who your God is and how well you take care of your kids.
Yeah.
It's about acknowledging your children's mother as the goddess she is. Acknowledge your child's father as their sole provider and not as a monthly check or no check at all. It's about where your heart is and how well you know your math. See, if you can understand that, you can understand why I must break the cycle of being inspired by bad experiences and people who piss me off. Because I refuse to be a casualty of this war. Thank you.